Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mahima Khurram and I am from Treehouse School, Islamabad. Today I will be talking about the Independence Day of Pakistan. There were many great people who helped to form this beautiful country. One that will come to mind is Quaid-e-Azam, also known as Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Quaid-e-Azam served as the first Governor General of Pakistan. He worked to establish the government and policies. Quaid-e-Azam was selfless and dedicated leader. He also sought the political union Hindus and Muslims, which earned him the title of the best ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity. You may think, who gave Muhammad Ali Jinnah the title of Quaid-e-Azam? Maulana Mazharuddin gave this title to Muhammad Ali Jinnah in 1938. We all Pakistanis should also follow the footsteps of our great leader and should work hard day and night for the prosperity of Pakistan. Thank you.